Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're going to be looking at AI.
Okay.
AI tools, specifically for making money. 5 different tools that supposedly have some serious money-making potential.
Yeah, I saw that video. It's pretty interesting how accessible it makes all this AI stuff sound.
Exactly. I feel like it used to be like you had to be a tech wizard
Right.
to even use this stuff,
Yeah.
but they're making it sound like anyone can do it.
Yeah.
So the first one that they talk about is ChatGPT,
Oh yeah, ChatGPT.
which is everywhere these days. It
Yeah.
seems like every podcast that I listen to, every article that I read, everybody's talking about ChatGPT.
It's really blown up.
Yeah. And I've been playing around with it a little bit just for like brainstorming and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But they're saying that you can use it for content creation and actually like make money from it.
Okay.
So like writing blog posts, social media captions, even YouTube video scripts.
Interesting. So you could just like feed it an idea and it would spit out a whole script.
Yeah, that's what they're saying. Like,
Yeah.
imagine if you're spending all this time writing your YouTube scripts, you could just like have ChatGPT do it.
Oh wow.
And then you could spend more time like filming and editing.
Yeah, I mean that's the dream, right? Is to like automate all the boring parts and then get to the fun stuff.
Yeah.
It's interesting though, because like it's using that natural language processing, right? Like
Well,
that create that human-like text.
Yeah.
Like we're talking now, I can understand all these like nuances of language and like put together a script that actually like makes sense and sounds like a person wrote it.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
And they said that you can make like $50 a project,
Okay.
which got me thinking like, okay, so if you want to hit that $1,000 a month goal,
Mm-hmm.
how many blog posts,
Yeah.
how many scripts, how many social media captions do you have to write?
Right. How much
Yeah.
how much volume do you have to put out there? I think that's kind of the key is like it's not passive income.
Yeah.
You're not just gonna like push a button and have money come out. You
Yes.
gotta find the clients, you gotta manage everything. It's really just like a tool to make you more efficient.
It's like it amplifies your skills.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so ChatGPT definitely has potential,
Okay.
but you got to hustle.
All right.
The next one is Jasper AI.
Jasper.
And they're saying that it's really good for like marketing and ad copy.
Okay, so this is like specifically for businesses.
Yeah, and that's something that like businesses will pay top dollar for.
Oh, yeah.
They need good marketing.
Especially these days,
Yeah.
everyone's competing for attention online. You gotta have good copy.
So I'm kind of curious about this one. Like,
Hmm.
what exactly can it do? Can it like write email campaigns?
Yeah, so it can do like targeted email campaigns,
Okay.
landing page copy. It can even like help you brainstorm ideas for whole social media strategies.
Wow.
It's pretty powerful.
Okay. So it's not just like spitting out generic like ad copy.
Yeah, no. It's more than that. It's like
Very
it's
cool.
about understanding the audience and creating content that like really resonates with them.
Okay, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
But I'm also thinking like AI generated marketing copy.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't that just sound like robotic and impersonal?
Yeah, that's a good point. And I think that's where the human element still comes in.
Okay.
You know, Jasper can provide like the building blocks,
Right.
but it's up to you to shape it into something that's like compelling and authentic to your brand.
Right. It's like a collaboration.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. The next one, this one I'm really excited about, Synthesia.
Synthesia.
They are using AI avatars to make videos.
Yeah.
And people are making like $100 or more
Per video.
per video.
That's crazy.
I know, this is so cool. So like explainer videos, tutorials, even like replacing those cheesy stock footage clips in presentations.
Yeah, like instead of having like that same businessman walking down the street
Right.
that everyone uses,
You could have an AI avatar.
you could have like a custom avatar.
That's so cool.
It's amazing.
So what's so cool about this is that you don't need like expensive equipment.
Yeah.
You don't need a film crew. You can just like
It's really democratizing video production.
totally. And this is like a huge opportunity for like entrepreneurs, educators, anyone who wants to make videos,
Yeah,
but maybe doesn't have the budget for it.
exactly.
Okay, so I do have a question though. Like,
Yeah.
how realistic are these AI avatars? Like,
Yeah.
can they actually replace a human presenter?
I think they're getting really good,
Yeah.
but they do have limitations.
Right.
You know, if you need something with like a lot of emotional depth or like nuanced expression, a human's probably still gonna be better.
Yeah.
But if you're just trying to like deliver information clearly and concisely, Synthesia is great for that.
Awesome. Okay, so moving right along, we got Canva.
Oh, Canva.
We all know and love Canva.
Yeah.
It's like so easy to use to make graphics, but now they're adding all this AI stuff like magic design,
I love that feature.
and they're saying that people are charging like $30 to $100 per project
her project.
for Canva designs.
Wow.
I mean, it makes sense. Like, it's such a powerful tool now.
It is.
I mean, it's not replacing designers or anything, but it's like giving them all these tools to like work faster, come up with new ideas, and just create better stuff.
It's like having a super-powered design assistant.
Yes. Okay, and then the last one is Copy.ai.
Copy.ai.
And this one is all about writing product descriptions.
Okay.
For e-commerce.
So for like online stores?
Yeah. And with online retail like exploding these days, this seems like it could be a huge opportunity.
Yeah, because like think about it. A good product description can make the difference between someone buying something or not.
Totally. And I know, like, personally, when I'm shopping online, if the product description is, like, boring or doesn't tell me what I need to know, I'm not buying it.
Exactly.
So Copy.ai helps you write these, like, really compelling descriptions that highlight all the features and benefits and really, like, make people want to hit that buy button.
Yeah, it's all about persuasion.
Yeah. Okay, so you could, like, offer your services to these e-commerce stores.
Oh.
They're like, hey, I'll write your product descriptions for you.
Exactly.
And then you could use Copy.ai to, like, make it super fast and efficient.
And you could take on more clients because you're not spending hours on each description.
That's exactly right.
It's a good business model.
So it's been really amazing, like, learning about all these tools and how they can actually, like, help people make money.
Yeah.
It seems like AI is becoming less like this futuristic thing and more like a practical thing.
Definitely.
What do you think is, like, the key takeaway from all this?
I think the biggest thing is that AI is like a force multiplier.
Okay.
It can help you do more in less time.
Okay.
It's not about replacing humans. It's about making us better.
Right.
But it's not a magic button. You know, you still got to have your own skills and creativity and be willing to put in the work.
Yeah, totally. Well, this has been awesome. I hope you guys found this deep dive helpful. And I'm really curious, which of these tools like stood out to you the most? Which one are you going to go check out? Are you going to try using them? Let us know down in the comments, and we'll see you next time.